Welcome to the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. Are you ready to take your Solana project to the next level? In today's video, we'll guide you through using the Moonshot Volume Booster to create an immediate impact on your token's trading volume and liquidity. From setup to quick customization tips, we'll help you get the most out of this powerful tool. Let's dive in. The Moonshot Volume Booster is a revolutionary tool designed specifically for Solana-based DeFi projects. It helps enhance liquidity, increase trading volume, and attract more traders by optimizing liquidity pools and narrowing trading spreads. Here's how it benefits your project. 1. Dynamic liquidity management. Keeps your token market smooth and trader-friendly. 2. Real-time adjustments. Reacts to market changes instantly to maintain trading efficiency. 3. Seamless integration. Works with Solana DEXs like Radium, Serum, and Orca. This tool is tailored for developers and project owners who want to boost token performance and community engagement quickly. In the fast-paced world of DeFi, timing is everything. A strong first impression can make or break your token's success. Here's why creating an immediate impact matters. 1. Attract traders early. Boosted liquidity and trading volume make your token appealing to traders. 2. Improve token metrics. Higher trading activity enhances your token's visibility on platforms and rankings. 3. Build community trust. A well-performing token signals reliability and encourages more investors to join your project. The Moonshot Volume Booster is designed to deliver quick wins that set your token on the path to long-term success. Ready to get started? Here's how to set up the Moonshot Volume Booster in just a few simple steps. 1. Connect your wallet. Use a Solana-compatible wallet like Phantom or Solflare for secure access. 2. Select liquidity pools. Identify the liquidity pools that align with your token's trading goals. Configure the booster customized parameters like trade size, spreads, and market conditions to fit your strategy. Activate the booster, deploy the tool, and it will start enhancing liquidity and trading volume immediately. Pro tip: use small initial trades to test your setup and monitor performance metrics before scaling up. Customization is key to unlocking the full potential of the Moonshot Volume Booster. Here are some quick tips for maximizing its impact. 1. Adjust spread widths. Keep spreads narrow for high-frequency trading and wider for long-term liquidity. Monitor market trends. Use real-time analytics to adapt settings based on token performance. 3. Leverage incentives. Combine the booster with staking rewards or yield farming to attract more liquidity providers. 4. Set trading thresholds. Avoid overexposure during volatile market conditions by setting safe trade limits. These small tweaks can significantly improve your token's market presence and appeal. Once your Moonshot Volume Booster is live, it's time to measure its success. Focus on these key metrics. 1. Trading volume. Track how many trades are happening in your pool. 2. Liquidity depth. Ensure there's enough liquidity for smooth trading experiences. 3. Price stability. Monitor slippage and spread consistency across trades. 4. Market rankings. Higher trading activity can boost your token's visibility on major platforms. Analyzing these metrics will help you refine your strategy and maximize your token's potential. Here are some pro tips to maintain long-term success after setting up the Moonshot Volume Booster. 1. Regularly update parameters. Keep optimizing your settings as your token grows and market conditions change. 2. Engage your community. Use social media and forums to highlight your token's improved performance and attract new users. 3. Stay informed. Keep an eye on updates in the Solana ecosystem to take advantage of new features and tools. By following these tips, you can ensure that your token continues to thrive in the competitive DeFi landscape. Thank you for watching the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. The Moonshot Volume Booster is a game-changing tool for any Solana project looking to make an immediate impact. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more DeFi strategies and tools.